Sapphire PYT 31. Somebody can take the Jays for 45. Let's do it. We're there. Nice, New Age. Seems cheap for the box. Throne, what's good, dude? Throne for the Jays, we're full. Incoming Jays platypus. Guess the second auto! For a team in flashback, which is next. Started out with a junior base. Susak, Mesa, and Janot. Got a base auto here. Sapphire. It's like Mariners. It's Perez Jr. The other junior. Robert Perez Jr. for Honda. Honda. Gabriel Martinez for the Jays. Justin Crawford for the Phillies. Perez and Serta. Muncy, Ruiz, Henry Malloy, and Jorge for the Rockies. Nice Malloy for the Braves. Aqua. Gilbert. Mejia. Aqua first for the Yankees of Jones. Beauty for Vincent. Another guy that does not have Sapphire autos. Spencer Jones. It's the Beauty Aqua. 37 of 55. Carlos Jorge. The zone. We have a green first. Rangers. Osuna. For 2-1. Cade Marlowe is in the big leagues. Looking at the Mariners game cast, it says defensive switch. Cade Marlowe into the game as a right fielder. Time to bust out the Cade Marlowe's. Geloff for the A's. Dominguez, Montgomery, and Acuna. This pack has to have a color. And it's orange. Good luck. Isaac. Orange first of Junior Garcia. The Dodgers and Bo Toxin. Termarr Johnson green for the Pirates. I got you. Express grading through Throne. Almonte for the Reds. Termar seems to be a stud. Obviously, you never know until we see him at the show, but Roman Anthony base for the Red Sox. Collier base. Brito base. To 99, that means it's an auto. Is it the same guy? Perez again. Both autos are Robert Perez Jr. One's a base and one's a team color aqua. That's kind of annoying in a 2-box, but good for Honda. Honda doesn't even want it. What's up, Smith? Purple. Purple. The Royals. Gavin Cross, number /25. Purple. Feels like you're getting at least a purple in each box, which is nice. Or in each break, rather. Dion Jorge for the Rockies. Guns Rips. That would honestly be a decent mix. The megas go with anything. Just like throw-ins. We just need more megas. There's a $40 Ellie. And a base of Spence. Well, no, you can get colors of the Brink. He doesn't have autos, but you can get color parallels. $19.90 score. Rome's only got the goods.